Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Rojish, MBBS first year student. So I'm gonna locate you all of the cranial bone and the facial bone, together commonly called as the cephalic bones. So the trick to learn the cranial bone is something like this: PETSOF, PETSOF, parietal, ethmoid, temporal, sphenoid, occipital, and the frontal. Parietal and the temporal bones lie in pairs. Okay, they were two in numbers, basically four together, and rest of the bones were single in number. We're gonna start up with the frontal bone. This is the frontal bone which covers your forehead and a bit of your lateral side. Okay, it has a slight of the depression onto its lateral side. Basically, it's a locating video. This is the frontal bone. Just behind of it, there is a midline suture, basically called as the fontanelle in infant stage, which is in soft manner in infant stage, and it gets hardened as soon as you reach puberty. So guys, these are the parietal bones. They basically cover the lateral side of the bone, lateral side of the head. Okay, this is the parietal bone. It has sutures from here to here, and at the lower side you have the occipital bone, one of the most important bone, because it gives a passage for the spinal cord with the help of the foramen magnum. It has a facet to help the cervical one, basically the atlas vertebra, in articulation. Okay, it helps the atlas vertebra in its articulation along with it. Okay, I don't have the atlas vertebra at right now, but I have one of the cervical vertebra, so you can check it out. It lies something like this. It lies something like this, and the spine comes out from here, and the transverse process lies like this, and it gets articulated. Okay, so this is the foramen magnum, gives the passage for the spinal cord, and the spinal cord passes like this. This is the frontal bone. These are the parietal bone. This is the occipital bone. It has the occipital condyle, and the occipital facet is present onto the cervical vertebra. The occipital facet is something like this. It is on its two of the sides. Okay, this is something like this, exactly like this, but it will be flat in surface. This is the temporal bone. This is the temporal bone on each of the side. Okay, check it out on two of the skulls. This is the temporal bone. This is the temporal bone. Okay, right side, left side, temporal bones. Okay, these temporal bones used to give a joint for the mandibular bone, which act as a mechanical substance and helps you to chew up your food. Okay, there is a depression to create temporomandibular joint, and here it has a cartilage to get it articulated along with the temporal bone. Okay, let me show you. This is the mandibular bone, and this is the temporal bone. Okay, let me set it up. Okay guys, it's perfectly fitted out. You can check it out. There's a depression to create a temporomandibular joint along with some sort of fibrocartilage. Okay, this is the temporomandibular joint. This is the mandibular bone, part of a facial bone, and this is the temporal bone, part of a cranial bone. We have completed frontal bone, parietal bone, occipital bone, and the temporal bone. Okay, 2 bones, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, 2 more bones are remaining, which are the ethmoid bone and the sphenoid bone. Basically, the ethmoid bone is present here. Okay, present here inside of this structure. You can check it out. This is the ethmoid bone. Okay, this is the ethmoid bone. Okay, and here is the sphenoid bone. You can check it out from this side also. Here is the sphenoid bone. Here the sphenoid bone. You can check it out on both of the skulls actually. This is the sphenoid bone. You can locate it out from this side also. This is the sphenoid bone. This is the sphenoid bone. Okay, and you can locate it out from this side also. This is the sphenoid bone. This is the sphenoid bone. Okay, so we have completed with the cranial bone. Now we can start up with the facial bones. Okay, so the facial bones are something like that: लाख, पालो, मैक्स, मैन, वो कौन सा नासा जाएगा. ठीक है, वो कौन सा नासा जाएगा? लैक्रिमल, पैलेटीन, मैक्सिला, मैंडिबुलर, वोमर, नेजल कॉन्का, नेजल, ओके, नेजल कॉन्का, जाइगोमेटिक. Okay. So lacrimal. This is the lacrimal bone. This is the lacrimal bone. Okay. Palatine is something here. Palatine bone. Okay. This is the palatine bone. Maxilla. This is the maxilla. There are two maxilla basically. Okay. There are two maxilla. You can check it out. It is separated from this side. So there are two maxilla. ठीक है, two maxilla. Mandibular. One mandibular. Mandibular. Okay. This is the mandibular. This is called as the mantle. This is the mandibular. Vomer. This is the vomer bone. This is the vomer bone, which is looking like a kind of septa. Nasal concha. Nasal concha. ठीक है. Zygomatic. Last one is the zygomatic. This is the cheekbone. Zygomaticus minor and the zygomaticus major are the cheekbones, cheek muscles, and you can check it out. There are two kind of foramen. These are, देखो guys, हर bone पे कुछ ना कुछ आपको depression दिखेगा, foramen दिखेगा, fossa दिखेगा. These are for the blood passages and the nerve passages. देख लो. Okay, check it out. ठीक है. These are the teeth as you know. Okay, मैं आपको depression दिखा देता हूँ इनका. Basically मैक्सिला इज द न्यूमेटिक बोन गाइस. जहाँ तक पढ़े हैं सब लोग, सबको पता होगा. दिस इज द न्यूमेटिक बोन. एयर फिल्ड बोन बोलते हैं इसको. ठीक है. दिस इज द न्यूमेटिक बोन. इसके सॉलिडिटी और इसके सॉलिडिटी में आपको डिफरेंस सीधा सीधा पता चल जाएगा एक बार में. सो यू कैन लर्न इट लाइक दैट. लैक्रिमल टू. ओके, टू लैक्रिमल. पैलेटीन. बेसिकली फेशियल बोन में सभी के सारे दो हैं. एक मैंडिबुलर एक हो गया और एक वोमर एक हो गया. मैंडिबुलर एक, वोमर एक. बाकी के जो बोन आपके बचे हैं वो हो गए 12, और ये आपका जो बचा ये होगा आपका 14 बोन. तो दिस इज दैट सेट गाइस. मैंने आपको पूरा फेशियल बोन और क्रेनियल बोन बता दिया है. इट्स योर ड्यूटी टू लर्न इट आउट. और प्लीज़ डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. आपको नोट्स भी प्रॉपर मिल जाएंगे. ठीक है. ऑस्टियोलॉजी, मायोलॉजी जल्दी आने वाला है. ठीक है. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग एंड स्टे ट्यून्ड टू माय चैनल.